Alright, it's Nick with MYGOFLIGHT. Hey, today I wanted to show you the PLC Pro 2020. It's our latest flight bag and it is gorgeous. It has an all leather comfortable strap. It has a flip top access along with mesh pockets so that you can see what you pack. Water bottle pouch, ADSB, GPSs, that type of thing. I call this my office. This works well. Put your key with a holder into a secure pocket. Put your passport in there, and then go ahead and zip it up. You put your lamps, your flashlights here, pens, cards, phone, extra battery, that type of thing. In the middle section, it's gusseted so that it doesn't fall open, spill your contents. Put your laptop, your iPad, charts, paperwork. Here you can see all the pockets for cables, cords, organizing your gear. A nice pocket for paper, and this spot here is for eyeglasses or sunglasses. On the back, put your handle through here, put it over your luggage, that way you don't have to carry it. Nice pocket here for your newspaper or magazines. Very, very beautiful product. It comes with not just a carrying handle, but also a shoulder strap and a backpack strap when you need both hands to carry other things. Thank you very much.